There are several options to use text-to-speech on any app within the iPad. To turn these text-to-speech settings on, go to the Settings app and then choose Accessibility, and then go over to Spoken Content. On this screen, the first option is Speak Selection. Turning this on allows you to hear any text that you select on the iPad. And if you go down a little bit further, you can also turn on Highlight Content so that the iPad will highlight each word as it's spoken. Once we turn Highlight Content on, we have some other options here. We can choose to have the iPad highlight words, or just sentences, or words and sentences. Let's leave this at highlighting the word level for now. Then we can also change the color that the iPad's going to highlight the words in. If you leave it at default, the iPad should use a contrasting color compared to the text and the background, but you can pick another color if you'd like. Let's take a look at a website so we can see how these features work. So I'm just going to select some text, and now you'll see one of my menu options is to speak this text.
This privacy policy describes how where applicable, your child's data is collected, used, and disclosed.
You may have noticed that this speak option here changes to a pause option once you turn it on. There's another helpful text-to-speech option called Speak Screen. So let's go back into the settings menu where we were before and take a look at that one. So again, we're in settings, we're in accessibility, and we're going to go to spoken content. Here we have the Speak Screen option. When this is turned on, like it is now because it's green, you can swipe down with 2 fingers at the top of the screen to hear the screen being read to you.
Speak selection on. A speak button will appear when you select text. Speak.
You can see that a settings bar appeared when I swiped my 2 fingers across the iPad, and that setting bar allows us to change the speed that the text is being read. It also allows you to skip forward or go back and reread something that was just spoken. And if you select this finger option, you can hear just what you touch on the screen.
A speak button will appear when you select text.
This takes a little less fine motor control than using the speak selection option that we just looked at. Hope you enjoy these reading features on the iPad.